You've probably seen AI talking avatars on YouTube, and a lot of popular channels are using them. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own talking avatar using free AI tools. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will know how to make a talking avatar just like the one I'm using right now. So, let's jump right in. To create an anime avatar, the first step is to generate the avatar's portrait. You can use any image generator for this, but I'll be using Leonardo AI. And by the way, I'll leave all the materials that I'll use in the description section down below. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, choose the Leonardo Phoenix preset style. Then, go to the image creation. Now, you'll need a prompt to generate the image. I spent more than 2 hours using ChatGPT to generate a suitable prompt, but to be honest, none of them worked well for me. So, I wrote my own personalized prompt, which includes a YouTube studio, background, and everything you'll need for your AI talking avatar. I'll leave it in the description below so you can easily copy and paste it. Once you've done that, hit the generate button and boom! The tool will give you 4 awesome images. And of course, if you don't like the result, you can add or remove anything from the prompt to customize it the way you like. For example, if you don't want the face mask, just remove that part from the prompt and generate it again. Now, here is a bonus that I don't think anyone else here on YouTube will give it to you. If you want a background image that shows your channel's name, like mine, I've provided the prompt in the description below. All you need to do is change the name and you're set. That's perfect. Next, we need to upscale the image. If you're a pro user of Leonardo AI, you can use the Alchemy upscaler. But if not, don't worry. I've got a 100% free method for you. Just go to the search bar and type in www.capcut.com/magictools/upscale image/. Then, upload your image and click upscale. After that, download the image to your computer and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, before we dive into the animation process, let's take a quick look at our avatar image. You will probably notice there are some unwanted items in the background. No worries, we can easily remove those and even add a logo or anything we like using Canva. First, click on Create a Design and choose YouTube Video. Upload the image, then head over to Edit Image and select Magic Eraser. Now, all we need to do is click on the item we want to remove. Canva does most of the work for us. It will highlight everything, and we just click Erase on whatever we want to remove. I'll speed this up a bit. Once that's done, you're free to add a logo or anything else. Let's add a sketch, for example. Go to Elements, type in Sketches, pick one you like, and drag it into the image. Want to add your logo? Easy. Upload your logo, search for image frame, drag it into the image, then look for a circle frame and resize your logo to fit nicely inside. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just download it as a PNG and you're done. Now that our avatar is ready, we need to bring it to life. For this, I'll be using Vidos AI. It's a free AI tool, and it's fantastic for how-to videos, training videos, educational videos, news videos, and much more. Vidos AI comes with a ton of features like video face swap, AI talking photo, AI text to video, AI image to video, AI URL to video, AI video enhancer, AI dance photo, and more. You can check out all its features by clicking the link in the description. Now, I'll click on AI talking photo. As you can see, you can create either a talking photo or a realistic avatar. I'm going with AI talking photo. There are a lot of great options here, but since we already have our image, I'll click on upload. Once the image is uploaded, you can enter the text you want your talking photo to say. So I'll pass the text just here. Vidos supports over 140 languages and offers a variety of male and female voices. And if you don't want to use those voices, you can even clone your own voice. It's an amazing feature in this tool. I really like it. Once you've adjusted all the settings, just hit generate video and boom! Let's take a look at what we've got.
Hello everyone and welcome back. This is my YouTube channel and this is my own avatar.
Amazing, right? Now, download your avatar in 1080p and you're all set. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your results in the comments section below. Also, check out the other videos on the channel. See you in the next one.